What are you gonna do?
We're gonna give Raymond some cereal. Here, honey.
Honey, get a cereal. He's eating it. He's eating it.
He sure is.
What the? He's eating it. Aw.
How's that?
Oh,
Good boy. Oh. What you think, Ray?
do you
hold the
like
chair.
it?
Here, Ray.
Ray.
Oh.
He wants to do it. He did it. He's doing it.
How's that?
How's that, Ray?
He likes it. How's that? You want to do it yourself. Okay, swallow what's in there. Swallow what's in there. Let go. Oh, did it all come out? You're a hungry boy. Swallow what's in there, honey. Oh. There you go. Very good.
Very good, Ray. You eat your cereal. Can I see the video? Can you do the video
Okay.
for me? Can you do the video for me, Dad?
Very good, Raymond. Look at that one went right down. Do you like it?
Dad, can I see
Yes,
the video?
I'm glad, honey. This is great news.
He went, ow!
Okay, let's hear some more, Ray.
I'm just using my foot.
Yeah, that's good. Look at how good he's doing, you guys. How is it? Delicious, Mama. Do you love it? I love cereal too, and so does Dad.